You're watching the In Vegas Style. Today we're going to take it back to my roots when I was doing how-to videos, and this is for the iPhone. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the status on your AirPods differently than from just opening it up and then waiting for it to pop up on screen. Now, for those of you that have iPhones, you may know that this may take a little bit, so I'm going to show you just a different way to do it. Now, go ahead and follow me and make sure to open up your iPhone, okay, so that you're on your main screen. Now, I want you to swipe from left to right, okay, so that you have your widget screen right there. Now, what I want you to do is go all the way to the bottom, okay, and then go ahead and click on Edit. Now, go ahead and scroll down until you see batteries. Go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and hit Done. Now you're going to see your phone status and your Apple Watch. Now, if you open up your AirPod case, okay, let it connect. It should join it here in a second. Just be patient. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. All right, there it is. So now you can see the AirPod case itself and the AirPods and the status. Now, if I pull out the actual AirPods themselves and then close the case, I should see a difference on my screen there. And it shows my AirPods right there, status of 100%. If I put one of them in, which I'm going to do right here, and close that, I have one out, and then you can see the difference right there on the screen. So just go ahead and play with that. Hopefully this helped you. If you really like this, and if this helped you, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, the In Vegas Style.